Gobi Kid.
Hey kids, let's have some fun with numbers. Shall we begin? Alright. Tell me, do you live with your family? Yes. Similarly, numbers also live with their families. Let's learn about the number families. Now tell me, what number do you see on screen? 42. 42. Which numbers do you hear when we say 42? It is 40 and 2. So 42 belongs to the family of 40s. For a two-digit number, the tens place tells us the family of the number. Here we have 4 in the tens place. So 4 tens becomes 40 and 42 belongs to the family of 40. Now tell me, where exactly does 42 live? It lives between 40 and 50. So we say that 42 lies between 40 and 50. Can you tell me some other numbers that belong to the 40s family? We have 41, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. All the numbers from 41 to 49 belong to the 40s family. And all of these numbers lie between 40 and 50. Let's take some more examples. Now we have the number 67. 67. Which numbers do you hear when we say 67? 60 and 7. So tell me, 67 belongs to which family? It belongs to the 60s family. The tens digit of a number tells us the family of that number. Here we have 6 in the tens place and 6 tens are 60. So 67 belongs to the family of 60s. Now tell me, where exactly does 67 live? It lives between 60 and 70. Can you tell me some other numbers that belong to the 60s family? We have 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, and 69. All the numbers starting from 61 to 69 belong to the 60s family and they lie between 60 and 70. Next number is 85. 85. So tell me, which numbers do you hear when we say 85? 80 and 5. So which family does 85 belong to? It belongs to the 80s family. The tens digit of a number tells us the family of that number. Here we have 8 in the tens place and 8 tens are 80. So 85 belongs to the family of 80s. Now tell me, where exactly does 85 live? It lives between 80 and 90. So we say that 85 lies between 80 and 90. Can you tell me some other numbers that lie between 80 and 90? We have 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, and 89. So all the numbers starting from 81 to 89 belong to the 80s family and they lie between 80 and 90. Now we have the number 54. 54. Which numbers do you hear when we say 54? It is 50 and 4. So, which family does 54 belong to? It belongs to the 50s family. The tens place of a number tells us the family of that number. Here, we have 5 in the tens place and 5 tens is 50. So 54 belongs to the family of 50. Now tell me, where exactly does 54 lie? It lies between 50 and 60. Can you tell me some other numbers that belong to the 50s family? We have 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58 and 59. So all the numbers starting from 51 to 59 belong to the 50s family and they lie between 50 and 60. Next number is 98. 98. Which numbers do you hear when we say 98? 90 and 8. So, which family does 98 belong to? It belongs to the 90s family. The tens place of a number tells us the family of that number. Here, we have 9 in the tens place and 9 tens is 90. So 98 belongs to the family of 90. Now tell me, where exactly does 98 live? It lives between 90 and 100. Can you tell me some other numbers that belong to the 90s family? We have 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98 and 99. So all the numbers starting from 91 to 99 belong to the 90s family. And all these numbers lie between 90 and 100. Now we have the number 11. 11 can be written as 10 plus 1. So 11 belongs to which family? It belongs to the tens family. The tens place of a number tells us the family of that number. Here we have 1 in the tens place and 1 tens is 10. So the number 11 belongs to the family of 10. Can you tell me, where exactly does 11 live? It lives between 10 and 20. Can you tell me some other numbers that belong to the family of tens? Along with 11, we have 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. All the numbers from 11 to 19 belong to the family of tens. And all these numbers from 11 to 19 lie between 10 and 20. Now we have the number 18. 18 can be written as 10 plus 8. Now tell me, which family will 18 belong to? It belongs to the family of 10. The tens place of a number tells us the family of that number. Here we have 1 in the tens place and 1 tens is 10. So 18 belongs to the family of tens. Now tell me, where exactly does 18 live? It lives between 10 and 20. Can you tell me some other numbers that belong to the tens family? We have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. All the numbers from 11 to 19 belong to the tens family and all of these numbers lie between 10 and 20. Now what if we have the single digit 7. A single digit always belongs to the ones place. So we don't have any number in the tens place. The tens place is empty. We can write 0 here. Now we know that tens place tells us the family of that number. Here we have 0 in the tens place. That means the number 7 belongs to the family of 0. Any single digit number belongs to the family of 0. So, can you tell me where exactly does 7 live? It lives between 0 and 10. So, what would be the other numbers that lie between 0 and 10? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. All the numbers from 1 to 9 belong to the 0 family, and all the numbers from 1 to 9 lie between 0 and 10. So if we have the number 4, we can write it as 04. It will belong to the family of zeros, and it will lie between 0 and 10. If we have the number 9, it can be written as 09. It will belong to the family of zeros, and it will lie between 0 and 10. So all of these single digit numbers will belong to the family of 0, and they will lie between 0 and 10. Now let's take a quick test to find out how amazing we have gotten with numbers. Tell me, which family does the number 73 belong to? It belongs to the family of 70. And 73 lies between 70 and 80. Great job. Tell me, which family does the number 58 belong to? It belongs to the family of 50. And 58 lies between 50 and 60. Which family does the number 7 belong to? It belongs to the family of zeros. And 7 lies between which two numbers? Zero and 10. Which family does the number 24 belong to? It belongs to the family of 20s. And 24 lies between 20 and 30. Which family does the number 42 belong to? It belongs to the 40s family. And 42 lies between 40 and 50. Which family does the number 67 belong to? It belongs to the family of 60s. 67 lies between 60 and 70. Which family does the number 56 belong to? It belongs to the family of 50s. And 56 lies between 50 and 60. Which family does the number 12 belong to? Belongs to the family of tens. And 12 lies between? Ten and 20. Which family does the number 6 belong to? It belongs to the family of zeros. And the number 6 lies between? Zero and 10. Which family does the number 34 belong to? It belongs to the family of 30s. And 34 lies between? (30) and 40. Which family does the number 19 belong to? It belongs to the family of tens. And the number 19 lies between? (10) and 20. Which family does the number 8 belong to? It belongs to the family of zeros. And the number 8 lies between? 0 and 10. Which family does the number 95 belong to? It belongs to the family of 90s. And 95 lies between? 90 and 100. Which family does the number 84 belong to? It belongs to the family of 80s. And the number 84 lies between? 80 and 90. Which family does the number 98 belong to? It belongs to the family of 90s. And the number 98 lies between? 90 and 100. Alright kids, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Coco Bee Kids, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.